Thoroughly on the back foot on the Newsar debate. Tonight is the Congress party. Sanjay Jha, represented by Sanjay Jha and Sukhpal Singh Khera. Taking them on is Hardeep Singh Puri and Manjeet Singh GK, and Hartosh Singh Bal is right there in the middle. Now, you talk about Mr. Khera, you kept talking about Amrinder Singh quit the Congress. No, 1 minute. Amrinder Singh quit the Congress, great. But since then, tell me, when is
And he rejoined it. And he rejoined it.
And he rejoined it. And he rejoined it. And he spoke about the RSS, BJP and all, right? Mr. Khera spoke about... Mr. Khera, tell me, did you hear Amrinder Singh talk about HKL Bhagat? Did you hear him talk about...
It's a statement here today. Yeah, here's a statement today issued to the media. He categorically makes it clear that he has named, people named Dharamdas Shastri, HKL Bhagat and Sajjan Kumar. But let's not get down to this debate only about this one particular issue. Here's Mr. Advani in May 1984 leading a march in New Delhi. I want to ask Mr. Puri, what's his position? Mr. Advani is pressing Indira Gandhi for Operation Blue Star. What has the BJP got to say that? And for
I'll
Mr.
give you the answer.
I want to ask him, what did Mr.
And I'll give you the answer. And I'll give you the answer.
Hardeep Puri, let him complete. Mr. Puri, let him complete.
1 minute.
Mr. Puri, you let him complete.
1 minute, please.
Let him complete, Mr. Puri, let him complete.
I want to ask
No, you come. No, 1 second. First of all, let him complete and then you respond.
1 second. 1 second. I want to ask Mr. GK Singh, what did Sukhbir Badal, as a minister for 5 long years
Manjeet
in
Singh
the
GK.
Mr. Vajpayee government in Delhi, do to help the riot-affected victims in Delhi? They are running from pillar to post in Punjab even today. They are moving the High Court of Punjab and Haryana for their flats, for their employment. These Akalis are sham. They are cowards. They have never helped. And Mr. Badal is the man who called for the army barracks to break their barracks, the army men to come march towards Amritsar. And himself he hid in a Sector 9 house in Chandigarh, a comfortable place. Had himself arrested by the government then in Panchmadi in Madhya Pradesh. This man is absolute double standards, and Amrinder Singh is a far better Sikh than the so-called Badals here.
Okay, you throw two counter questions.
Your admiration for your captain is admirable. And I
Sanjay, let him respond, then I'll come back to you.
But let me answer this question on Mr.
No, what's up? First of all, decide one at a time. Hardeep Puri goes first, Sanjay after that.
BJP do anything?
Let me answer this question on Mr. Advani first.
Because they were aware that RSS
Sanjay, I don't interrupt you anymore. Please listen to me. Let me answer a question addressed to me.
No, 1 minute.
Let me answer a question addressed to me.
The truth is that the NDA government did nothing for the Sikh riot victims because you know that the RSS Gundas were involved in the Sikh riots in Delhi.
We'll come to that.
And if you want further confirmation, you'll know Nanaji. Please read Nanaji Deshmukh, RSS member, what he wrote on the Sikh riots. He actually endorsed the violence. So that is the kind of RSS that you are part of today. You need to acknowledge that reality.
Oh, my dear friend, just slow down a bit. Now let me answer the question that has been put to me by Mr. Khera. Now, a few months ago, not very long ago, there were some documents declassified in the United Kingdom. Those documents showed that your Mrs. Indira Gandhi was planning to storm the Golden Temple as early as January. So you in fact set the whole thing up. So if you take statements about doing something about militancy when in June, that is a completely separate issue.
Mr. Puri, that's not the reply.
You have in fact planned.
Mr. Puri, that's not the reply. That's not the reply. That's not the reply.
Biography.
That's not the reply.
Number 430.
No. 1 second.
Page 430 of Mr. L.K. Advani's autobiography. You'll get to know the facts. Mr. Advani is
yes, because he's talking about the situation in June 1984, whereas you guys had actually decided to storm the Golden Temple 5 months earlier. In June, everybody wanted the whole issue of militancy to be addressed. So those statements have to be read in that context. Whereas actually the game plan was entirely different. And if you had already decided to storm the Golden Temple, you should have come clean. That you were actually wanting to desecrate the holy shrine.
Mr. Puri, 1 second, Mr. Puri, are we talking about the Operation Blue Star or the anti-Sikh riots? 1 minute, please. Please remember, I pull out now.
Well, one is linked to the other.
1 minute, Mr. Puri.
Mr.
Puri, speak about one. Don't go to the other yet. Just a minute. Just a minute, please hold on. February 3rd, 2002, Hindustan Times. Just a minute, Mr. Puri, please hear me. According to my information, BJP names figure in records in the Sikh riots. 14 FIRs lodged by the city police naming 49 BJP and RSS workers. Some of the prominent Delhi BJP and RSS workers against whom cases have been registered are, and there's a long list of these people later arrested and charge-sheeted by the police. Most of the 14 FIRs lodged against BJP and RSS workers, why are you getting uncomfortable, Mr. Puri, have been registered at the Srinivasapuri police station in New Delhi. Who are these people and what conspiracy were they a part of? By that logic, was the BJP and the RSS also part of the conspiracy? Mr. Puri, come on. If you go through the news...
Not at all. When
not at all. When it comes to your people, not at all. When it comes to your people, not at all.
Against a community.
Why are you being partisan?
It is entirely possible that other people will join in. But
other people
who started it?
Other people, members, RSS people.
Other Hindus may have joined in.
So you admit it.
Including BJP members. The BJP has never tried to justify their actions.
Which other people?
Never has the BJP...
Hartosh?
Including BJP members who were misguided.
So you concede Khera was right. So you concede Khera was right.
Some of them may have been involved. Some of them may,
so you concede Mr. Khera was right.
Whether they were involved. I would like to, I appreciate Mr. Puri has at least acknowledged the fact that the RSS, BJP were involved in the riots, because that has been a fact or not.
He has acknowledged it.
I said no, don't put words in my mouth. I said if there is an allegation that some of them were involved, then investigation can show that up. But here we are discussing Mr. Jagdish Titler, and we are discussing whether the captain's hearing is right and whether the captain heard the name of X, Y or Z. The issue here is Jagdish Titler. The defense of that cannot be that a BJP member was involved. That cannot be a defense of Jagdish Titler.
Was Mr. Vajpayee's polling agent. One of the persons accused in the RSS BJP members was the polling agent of Mr. Atal Bihari Vajpayee in a house in Delhi.
We are talking of Captain Amrinder's statement. One fact I want to bring to your notice, Arnab, that a CBI joint director proposed that there is a good amount of evidence against Jagdish Titler and he should be booked. But the director of the CBI, please let me complete. The director of the CBI, 2 days before he filed it. He does not take the name of Jagdish Titler, and that director Ashwini Kumar was made governor. I think there is a deep-rooted conspiracy by the Gandhi family to defend
made director of CBI and then a governor
and other people involved in the 84 riots. Why was Ashwini Kumar made governor
be rewarded when you get another 5 years of Congress?
He filed the
Mr. Khera, Sanjay Jha will respond to that.
Not you. There is enough amount of evidence against Jagdish Titler and he should be booked. What was the reason? Who influenced him? Why was CBI going to
Manjeet, you made your point.
Filing the closure report on Jagdish Titler's case?
Authorities are not allowing the investigation to take place against Mr. Jagdish Titler. This is all on the record.
1 minute, please.
Please read the various commissions of inquiry.
Just 1 minute, please.
Gandhi family, Congress government did it. They are responsible. And today, Amrinder Singh is defending...
When a big tree shakes, then 3,000 members of a community can is there the kind of ethics that we are dealing with?
Jagdish Titler and Sajjan
This is the culture of impunity that we are witnessing here.
Why are you justifying this, Sanjay Jha? Why are you letting this happen? This is suicidal. 1 second, Sanjay Jha, this is politically suicidal for the Congress party to back Amrinder Singh at this stage. He's made a mistake. Why are you being diffident? Why are you being arrogant?
CBI joint director says that there is a case against him and director closes the file.
Okay, now Sanjay Jha will respond.
Why? Who made them go?
Now Sanjay Jha will respond. 2 more minutes I have, Sanjay Jha.
No, I don't know what is more serious and I don't know what is more disgraceful and what is more disturbing. Amrinder's statement or the manner in which
you
give me a minute.
Let Jha respond.
Mr. Puri,
this is more serious than what
Let Jha respond.
Because Amrinder you can write off. You can write off, but you cannot write off the Congress party's defense of it.
Mr. Puri, there have been 442 convictions. Mr. Puri, there have been 442 convictions. There have been
And
40
none of the
life
big
sentences
boys,
given.
not
If
Mr.
there are
Sanjay
Mr.
Kumar,
Puri,
not
please,
Mr.
please,
Jagdish Thakur.
please.
You've got all kinds of people.
Please, for heaven's
Mr.
sake,
Jagdish
respect
Thakur.
the process. I think we all know that we need a closure. Like in 2002 riots, there is a closure that is required. I would request the BJP to please don't politicize every statement.
So what
that
were
is
you-
being
you're
made
politicizing
and look at it
Gujarat
from
till
a
now?
complexion of your own
So you are
electoral
politicizing
prospects.
Gujarat
No,
till
one
now.
minute, Arnab.
What
All I want to
process
say
do you
is
respect when
both
it comes to
1994
Gujarat?
and
What
2002,
process do you respect
I'm
when it
saying
comes to
both
Gujarat?
94, can I finish? I'm
What?
saying both 1984 and 2002 need a closure, and it is not going to happen if Mr. Jaitley is going to give clean chit to Mr. Modi, and when Captain Amrinder Singh makes a
Mr.
personal
Jha.
observation, he believes that's a clean chit.
Mr.
Who are
Jha,
you to
1
give a
minute.
clean chit?
Mr.
Who are
Jha,
you to
again,
give a
I
clean
cannot
chit?
believe
Who's
that you are
Captain
making
Amrinder
so
Singh
many
to give a
factual
clean chit?
mistakes on
Nobody
one
is
news
giving
hour
a clean chit
program.
here.
Mr.
There are
Jaitley did not
there
give
is
the
a
clean
CBI,
chit.
there is a court.
Mr. Jaitley did not give the clean chit.
Do your simple arithmetic.
Mr.
This has
Jaitley
gone
did
on
not
for
give-
30 years. We are not getting closure
Let
on
me
it.
tell you,
Then
Mr.
2002 would not
Jaitley
have
and the
taken place
BJP
if we
have
had
gone to
fixed the
town.
accountability
They have
and
gone to
responsibility
town
for
saying that he's got a clean
1984.
chit.
2002
Please
would
read
not
Mr.
have taken
Narendra
place if we
Modi's
had sorted
tweet.
out 1984.
Please read Mr. Narendra Modi's tweet on the day the Metropolitan Magistrate ordered on the SIT verdict. Read Mr. Narendra Modi's tweet. It is one of absolute relief, as if it is an acquittal. It is absolutely disingenuous. It's distorting information. The case is coming up in the High Court. There is a Supreme Court thereafter. You know when the
And how come? No, Mr. Jha, will you explain to me? No, 1 second. Hartosh, no one. Mr. Jha, don't go non-stop. Listen to me. I have 2 minutes on the program. I mean, how many more times will you just mess up your own argument? CBI registered. Why did this court reject the CBI's probe report? Why did the court direct further investigation in 2007? I am asking you. Why did the court order Why did the court order reinvestigation into Titler's role? Why did the Supreme Court of this country?
Who claimed to have?
Why did the Supreme Court of this country refuse to stay the reinvestigation into Titler's role? Why? Will you not even listen to the Supreme Court? Have you no respect for the Supreme Court of this country? What is the Congress party doing? You want to support a politician, so you will insult the Supreme Court on a television program. You will not even entertain any logical argument. The Supreme Court refused to stay the reinvestigation into Titler's case. What are you talking about, Mr. Jha? Is politics so important?
Court told the CBI to reinvestigate.
Mr. Jha, what are you doing?
If you read the exact judgment, if you read the exact
Hartosh.
statement of the judge, he said you have to investigate.
Hartosh is making the last point.
You have to get to the bottom of anything that the witnesses say.
Yeah.
That's what the court said.
Hartosh.
And that's correct.
Hartosh.
I mean, in all this desire to score points, I have not seen one person on this panel commit themselves to the fact that what we need is not closure but justice for 1984, and that includes taking up the cases against Titler or the RSS people. When I see all these people sitting here and exchanging allegations, is hamam mein sare nange hain. These guys are not interested in justice, and they are playing politics with the victims of 84.
Well, I don't know. The question is, I really think
when we deal with declassification, we said there should be an SIT probe monitored by the Supreme Court. Whoever is guilty should be booked and justice should be provided.
I think
you may not have been there in that discussion. I had just joined the BJP. We had agreed to that. An SIT court monitored probe,
agree that there should be closure and justice should be part of closure. Absolutely.
I called Mr. Amrinder Singh on the program.
To be part of the closure.
I tried to dial his number. Usually he picks up the phone. Amrinder Singh is not responding. I'm sending an official request. And I think Amrinder Singh, if he wants to set the record straight, should come himself on the program and be ready to debate with people like Manjeet and Hardeep Puri and Hartosh. I am putting this question tonight to Amrinder Singh. Let someone communicate that to him. The letters are on its way. We'll see if he joins us on News Hour. Thank you, gentlemen, for that debate. Thank you.